Right, time to make coffee. My coffee scoop I carved last night. Didn't really need one, but something to do. This is a local coffee, Lofbergs. You get it every year, this medium roast, it's lovely. So what I'm going to do is 7 scoops. Well, we'll see now as I'm putting it on. Yeah, let's go with 6 today. That's enough. I'm not going to stir it into the water or anything. Just go straight on the boil. And when we see it starting to bubble up, the lid's coming off, and it's going to have a minute rolling boil and then off. Okay, another 20 seconds. And it can come off. Loading up. Time to move on. Camp 2 is over. We're on now into day 3. So we've got a paddle out into the rain. I don't know whether you'll even see it on the GoPro, but if you look across the lake, obviously you can't really see much the other side because the drizzle is coming in, but it's a damn sight calmer with the wind. So we got to head over that way and round through around a few islands over to the other side, and then we possibly, I think, about a 1500 metre portage with the canoes and the kit to drop into the next lake. So Rob's just got nipped up to camp to do a last check that we haven't left anything behind. And it looks alright because he's not carrying anything. And we're pretty much loaded up now. It's time to get wet for a few hours. Right, we're away. We're fed, coffeeed up. Back out onto the lake. Forecast is pretty much rain all day today. It's raining now, but at least the wind has dropped. But today we've got a nice 1500 metre portage, which is we got across the dry land. So we got to carry all our kit and then get the canoes over as well. So probably going to be an hour or so moving everything over into the next lake, and then we're staying in there for a couple of days. To my camera saying it's pouring down rain and it's quite windy. That's alright, I'm steering. Rob saying he can't see out of his glasses, but I'm steering anyway. It's a pretty miserable day, so that's why we thought let's just get the shorts on, get soaked and move on. Forecast 5 o'clock on this evening is dry, clear night and rain coming back tomorrow, so at least we'll have a break this evening. So we probably won't set up our hammocks and tarps and things till after the rain stops this afternoon, evening. Hopefully we'll have a dano at least to sit in, get some firewood, put a tarp up over the fire. There's loads of cormorants ahead taking off now. So, and they're in the reeds, so there's a good sign, there's a lot of small fish around. God, there's a load of them. There's about 20, 25 cormorants. paddling through the reed beds now, trying to find a spot where we can carry over the canoes. Through the lily pads and things. Cool, there's a jetty. Slow down, Rob. Slow down, lad.
I can't help it. It's so powerful.
Sorry folks at home if you can hear swearing, it's 99% sure it's Russ. Oh dear. There's something wrong with the steering rack on their canoe. Follow them there. Oh, there's a post in the water, is there?
Post in the water. Dun, 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 dun.
Cool beans.
45 minutes.
I said 40 minutes. I'm off.
Yeah, we did take one wrong turn.
Right.
Go on, oh, okay, fine.
Chuck your painter over that thing. Just so she don't blow away, lad. Cool. Let's try and get the worst of the water off the screen here, the rain. We've come in now, the far side of Sealand Lake. And now we're going to negotiate up this crappy, all broken
I'll do a recce.
track and carry all this shit now for basically a mile, I think. But it's a new experience. I'm staying on the left in the grass, right? I'm not going on the mud. That's what I've fallen in the past. Oh, right. All the kit's up there. I'm gonna work the water now. I'm gonna get this on the trolley to get it up to the road, and then we've got the move with all the kit.
I got it.
We're carrying no bags and dragging this big ass canoe on a portage, so we're hoping, going by the maps, that we've only got like another 10-15 minutes and we're back in the water, and that's it for a few days. Look, water. We have made it to the other lake. We're now in Sealand. How do you feel, boys?
Shaky.
If you look up that track up there that we just come down, there's lots of bitey mosquitoes and wasps, and we've got nibbled. Right. If I move out of the way a little bit, can you see them behind?
Yeah.
They've got to take the wheels, not you. I'm talking to the folks at home They got the wheels off now anyway. They're just going to chuck them on top because they got rust with them. They're super clever. And he swears a lot, like I said earlier. That's big. Oh, this is Welsh rain. It feels like home. So when people are watching our videos now, they'll be thinking, who are those idiots paddling with no clothes on? Oh, my balls are wet now as well. Lush. Never mind, we're hoping now. We just get into an island where we stayed in the past. We're hoping, praying, there's nobody there, because this weather's in for like 2 days, and if we can stay here possibly 2 nights, it's a nice spot. But we'll see what we get on the corner, if there's any boats sitting there. There is, we're going to keep moving. Yeah, I think it's raining. Good job in here anyway, because the canoe's filling with water fast. Looks like we sprung a leak. Ah, it's a canoe, is it? They got tents up and everything. Ah well, bloody nuisance. This was a nice spot. Shame. Right, we're on another island now, but there's no canoes. There's a dano, and there's nobody here. So I think this is the one. Russ and myself came on a mission 3-4 years ago over to see what salvage we could get, i.e. firewood or toys. And at the moment, after the rain we just had, this looks nice. Might be a little bit windy, but well, beggars can't be choosers. Nice big rim and the fire. Low roof. Oh, there we are. Plenty of spots to set the hammocks up. And a damn fine view as well. Out over the lake. Out on the lake, I'll take you in now to have a look. Sodra Cockhomen. And the one we stayed at before, which we just passed, was North Crockholmen, I think. Right, cool. What do you think, Rob?
Yeah, fine.
It'll do for now.
Yeah, a little smoke this way as well.
Yeah.
That's great.
And then we'll probably camp in the woods over there. Bit of breeze will be nice to keep the mosquitoes away, because they're bloody nibbling today, bad. Cool.